how to upload photos in Google Drive and share link. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload photos to Google Drive and share them with others. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Drive and make sure that you are signed in into your correct account. And once you are inside the Google Drive, simply click on New. And after that, simply select Folder to create a new folder. And now name the folder whatever you like. And after that, simply press Create. And once the folder is created, simply double click on the folder to simply open it. And now let's upload photos. To do that, simply click on New again, and from there simply select File Upload. Now choose the image or files that you want to upload from your computer. And once you're done selecting that, simply click on Open. Now wait for the files to finish uploading. And once it's uploaded, simply right click on the folder name, and from the drop down menu simply click on Share. And after that, you can see the option labeled Copy Link. Simply click on that, and after that the folder of your drive will be copied. Now you can simply paste this link to any social media handles and send it to your friends. And that's it. Now you know how to upload and share photos on Google Drive. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.